The following message is transmitted at the request of the Fresno County Sheriff's Office, and some giant flying bird on fire. There is a giant flood of nuclear waste in the county of Fresno. It looks very green, and very deadly, which is expected, but still deadly. You are advised to not go near this flood, but knowing people nowadays, fizzle do the gene pool a favor. How are you people alive thinking that you can drink this stuff? No, this doesn't look like green gelatin either. Did you want death? Because that's how you get dead. Anyways, emergency management is attempting to clean up the waste. If you start to feel sick because of the radioactivity, that's your problem, but since you don't want to die, I hope, call 911 immediately. Get to higher ground now. No, don't even swim in it. Your skin will be a part of it, if you know what I mean. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this situation because I'm going home to enjoy the show.